Friday Night Lights. We out here doing it for still a nation.
Go put some work in, you know what I mean? Still a nation.
Let's get it.
That'll be fun, put on a show for the fans. Let's get it.
You know what, this is fun. It's so nostalgic, right? It takes you back to high school days, which is a long time ago for some of us. The band, the popcorn, just the feel of Friday night football, because you know, to me, that's like when football is at its purest. It's Friday night football, and so it's so cool to come out here.
You know, it's all about the fans, and I enjoy it. Fumble, getting to interact with cool fans, and it's just a lot of fun coming here. And it brings back a lot of memories thinking about high school.
It's really fun, you know, to be out here with the fans. It's amazing to see how many people are out here today, so it's a lot of fun.
I feel like I'm back in high school. The high school days coming to the games. And the fans already there. It smell like barbecue outside. And I mean, I feel like it's going to be electric. Going to give the guys a lot of energy. Practice is going to be fun.
Man, really awesome atmosphere here tonight. Bus ride's fun. It's just funny to listen to the guys. We enjoy the relationship that we have with this community.